Mabuhay everybody! My name is Cindy. Welcome to our channel. I married a foreigner. So guys, good afternoon. So we arrived from buying some pots like we went to my cousin's business and we bought some pots and we stopped in Kalea there in Lacson to get this what you call cakes there. So I got 4 and I give 1 away there. So I went with Miss Jonah. She works there in Kalea. Ayan. So that is our cakes for today from Kalea. So anyway, ayan. And this is the chairs that Bobo painted. So now it's nice and pink. This is the color of my angel wings. Ang charity work ko, guys. Nasa pangalan ko. So that is our our 4 chairs that Bobo made for that. So I will show you the pots or the pottery that I bought. Some of that I will display in the store and some my cousin she gave me. So I will show you that. Okay, so I'm just gonna put away my bag and put away the bag and put away the cakes first in the fridge. I'd like to put this away in the fridge. Ayan. So we'll put these guys away there. And there should be one there. One of these I gave away. That was, I think, but I don't know what that was with chocolate. Ayan. So this one I will eat in a minute. That's from neighbor. This is corn. Very yummy. Hi, Dad. Dad is asleep. He's asleep. Uy, langit guys. Wait lang. Okay guys, so let's have a look at what we bought from my cousin. She owns a pottery shop. I forgot to take a photo of the pottery shop. So let's have a look. Okay. Ready to go. The electric pan. Wow, this one is big. Wow. Haribo nami. Kay dako. Dako iya pakpak.
Andra.
Hindi yan mabangga ang suga. Hindi yan mabangga. Pwede guro eh. Para kalabot iya plug.
Kasi nga na nangingin ayo. Mukha na kanina julan ko.
Bakit? Ito to? Oo, damo na to. O daw 3 na sila. Lami na sa kay lapad-lapad.
Oo.
Ate okay, good. Ate okay hindi siya malabot. Lami sa kay dako mo no?
Dako niya nga.
Tapos hindi siya buhak o sa kurinti.
Electric pan niya.
Electric pan ka mahal. Dason daw maguba lunggan mo.
Siglaw na lang.
Pero di ka kusog, bi. So this is for the other store guys, sa branch, sa farm. Ito yung binili ko. Binigay actually ng cousin ko to. She just gave that to me. This one. And this is the one we bought. I-display namin sa store. Aragay. Sige bala, we will display sa store. Para na ano. Okay. So there we got the stove. And we got this. That one and this one. And that one there as well. Okay. So tag 10, 20 abil. So ayan guys, okay na. That was our yung pinamili namin, yun lang. Babalik pa ako doon para na bibili ulit ng medyo marami. So nakita ko na yung mga binibinta niya doon. So may kutob na ako what to get. Pero kailangan namin yung youth na dadalhin doon para makargahan siya. So anyway, that is our plan. Very soon pupunta doon para na makakarga kami. But for now, ihahatid muna yung karga para sa farm. Tapos yun ang gagawin. And then yeah, that's it. So anyway, that is our ganap in life. And nakakapagod. Kakain muna ako guys ng binili ko sa Kaleya. Yun, kasi medyo excited na ako na makain yun. But anyway, that is the plan for the day. So kakain muna ako guys. Wala pa akong naisipan masyado na i-share sa inyo. Pero parang mayroon, pero hindi ko lang siya ma-express for the moment. Mag-settle muna ako. Nakakain ako ng lunch. Nagulay si Bubu at saka rice. So kumain ako. Then si Daddy kumain din. Nakakain na siya. And may binili ako dito kay sa kaibigan ko na 2 avocado. So ito ay gagawin namin na shake, avocado shake. So, hindi ko alam kung ano itong mga tinatakpan. But anyway, nakatakip. Ayun siya. So they must be leftovers. So ayan. Okay. Hindi natin alam kung ano sila. Anyway, that's the eggs. Yun. Okay, sige. Parang hindi na siya guys. Let's have, nag-19 siya. That's why. Hindi siya umaandar. Ayan, nag-19. Ayan. So anyway, let's have a look sa kanya. Working man siya. Baka nagde-defrost lang talaga. Pabalikan natin later. Hindi ako masyado familiar sa fridge na to guys. Yung tinatawag dito nila na inverter. Hindi ko alam kung sa Australia binibili ko yung frost free. Siguro inverter yun. Pero ito siya, may habit siya na mag-warm yung temperature niya. Tulad nito, dapat negative 5 siya dyan. -5. Ito okay, ito ang freezer. So ang lakas ng tunog niya. Pero umaandar siya ha. Baka nagdi-defrost lang siya siguro. So hayaan lang natin. Minsan gumaganon siya guys. Natatakot ako kasi one time huminto na siya talaga, hindi na siya nag-cold, hindi na lahat. I don't know pag may brownout kanina, or things like that. I-ask ko si Bobo, kasi pag mag-brownout ganito yung habit niya. Ayaw na niya mag-start ng matino, So, maganda sana siya, pero hindi ko siya familiar to look after. Sanay ako sa fridge and freezer na they just look after themselves. So, ayan, malaki dapat. Malaki din yung area niya. So, pero ayan, umaandar siya ng masyadong malakas. Hayaan na muna natin. And then yun, magtanong ako kung may brownout habang nasa bilihan ako ng mga pottery. So hindi ko alam kasi wala ako dito. Ganyan ang ginagawa ng fridge na yan pag nagmamaneuver siya na hindi maganda. So anyway, gusto kong kumain ng dessert ko. Na I like the dessert. Ito linagay nila sa ano, sa container ito. Ito yung gusto kong kainin. Kain tayo. Kaya I'm going upstairs. I'm going upstairs. I'm going to wash the dishes. Daddy. I'll see you in few minutes. He's watching TV, guys. He's watching a movie. Daddy is watching movie. So let's wash the dishes first. Tada! Tada! Welcome to the 3rd floor. Hala guys, look. Ang tanim. Kapit lang. Kapit lang dyan. Okay. Right. So guys, welcome to the 3rd floor. Ito yung ano natin. No. Maybe there. I pressed the wrong button. Okay. So guys, medyo matagal din na hindi ko kayo dito nadala sa taas. Saka naging busy kami doon sa ilalim. Pero, in saying that, nandito na tayo ngayon. Enjoy na natin ang atmosphere. Parang uulan. So, it's like it's going to rain. But we're not gonna let the rain let us feel down. Okay, we're not gonna let the rain make us feel sad, because you know, if it's raining, it's like you feel sad. So let's not gonna make the rain do that to us. So I'll put you in the what do you call, tripod, and we got everything going. So I'm going to do the dishes here, and look at the view. It's still good. So I can see the thing downstairs. There's nothing doing. I'll just have to wash the dishes here. And also guys, also we changed the tap here. We should have another one. Let's have a look. Let's have a look at the other tap, and then we're gonna put the what do you call it? We're gonna put the, oh, look at our water, it's full. Here, see, there's another one. Oh, see, another one here, guys. Oh, this is we changed, I bought this because it filters the water somehow. It does work. So thank goodness na nag-work siya. We'll just gotta water our plants, because even though it's raining, Sometimes this side here, they don't get the rain. So we must as well water it. If you don't water it, they don't get the, they don't get the rain. Like this one's here, so dry. You can see the, what you call, guys, the mga pato, there's chickens and ducks underneath there, and also the farm there, and the farm over there, there's a carabao. Okay, so even though it's raining, sometimes we don't get enough water to our plant. It's not so good. So we must give plants a lot of water. Oh, diba? Oh, see? Agi. Yeah. So there is a problem here that Bubu was telling me. Nahulog, na-crack siya. Okay. Okay. Well, the third floor has no toilet for a while because the pipe cracked. So that's the problem. So I'll just clean up, guys, because I haven't been here for a while in the third floor. So let's clean. So okay, guys, we finished cleaning. It took me about an hour to do the dusting, but I did not do really everything, just for the table, the floor, this side, that side, just the surface. I have to go that part and then wipe them because I didn't really see it, so I'll have to go there and wipe it also to keep it clean. So we finished, and this is what it looked like, and nice and clean. The dust are off, so I might have to bring down these curtains again so that the curtains stop from the dust. stop the dust from coming through. Yeah, I wanted to clean those leaves from the carpet. I might have to do that, okay? So guys, tapos na kami ni Daddy kumain ng in-order namin sa McDonald's. Ubus na. So we ordered rice and chicken fillet. And then, ito yung linagyan. May mga burgers din kami na in-order. Para kainin mamaya pag nagutom. Pero kumain ako guys ng vegetables na may sabaw. Kasi yun ang ulam namin kanina. So, nandito pa yung naiwan. This one here. Kaunti pa siya guys. Yan. Gusto kong mag-grocery sa kasi wala na tayong mga guys. Uy, hulo. Ano ko to? Bakit may ganyan pa ako? Ito. Kainin mo natin yan. Oh my God. Ano ba yan? Nalimutan. Ano to? Ito nalimutan din. Yeah. Then ito nalimutan din. Wala na yan. Maglinis tayo kasi para na updated yung siyempre updated yung fridge. Ayan. Updated na nga. Ayun. Yeah, water. Yeah, ito na lang yung drinks. And then ito na din yung mga Yakult. Ito na lang siya. And then ito. Yan na lang siya guys. Wala na. Tapos ito. Water. Supply namin ni Daddy. Let's check the ito na lang din yung veggies and fruits. That's for tomorrow. Pwede na yan. Then we got this. Tatlo. We got this. Okay, ang dami nito guys. Sino-collection ko yan. Kasi bibigay ko yan mamaya sa kung sinong gusto. Tuwang-tuwa sila na bigyan ng ganito. Iniipon ko. Okay ra. Ayan. And then, ito yung binili sa Kalea. Ayan. Kinain ko na yung iba.